Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add friends in Monopoly Go. First, open Monopoly Go on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the main screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap the Friends icon. This opens the social menu where you can manage your connections. Next, tap the Add Friends button. You will now see different options to invite people. The first option is through your contact list. If you allow the game to access your contacts, it will show you which of your mobile contacts are already playing. Simply tap the invite button next to their names. The second option is Facebook. Tap Connect with Facebook and log in. This automatically adds all your Facebook friends who play Monopoly Go. You can also invite Facebook friends who do not yet play. They will receive a message to join the game. You can also share a unique invite link. Tap the invite button and choose how you want to send the link, such as through text or messaging apps. When your friend installs the game using your link, they will be added to your friends list. Another way is using friend codes. Some players prefer to share their friend code found in the same Add Friends menu. Copy your code and share it, or paste someone else's code into the Enter Code field to add them directly. Once someone accepts your invitation, their name appears in your friends list. This is how you add friends in Monopoly Go. Thanks for watching.